How to deactivate or close your Avant.com account. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Avant website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard and look for the account settings or profile section. Scroll down and find the option related to account management, such as close account or deactivate account. If you don't see this option, Avant may require you to contact your customer support directly to close your account. Before closing your account, make sure all your loan payments are up to date and there are no outstanding balances. If required, reach out to Avant's customer support via phone or email and request account closure. Follow any additional verification steps they provide to confirm your request. Once confirmed, your Avant account will be deactivated or closed according to their process. Keep in mind that closing your account may affect your credit report and loan agreements, so review all terms carefully. Now you know how to deactivate or close your Avant.com account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.